Hey there, Thumbnail Blaster just got a new awesome feature added. You will now be able to take screenshots from existing YouTube videos and add them into Thumbnail Blaster. All that you have to do is go to the image section and right here you have load from YouTube video. You will need to paste your YouTube link right here, so you can do this with any YouTube link and click on select frame. A new pop-up will appear where you will see the current video that you just added. Now you can browse through the video and whenever you like a frame, like this one, you pause the video and you click load this frame. Here it is. Now what you need to do is save this image on your PC or on your Mac and then load it into Thumbnail Blaster. So I'm going to right click on this image, save image. Now I'm going to type in a name and hit save. Now you can do this for as many frames as you want. Just browse through the video, pause it when you want and click load this frame and save it again. So now I'm going to click close and I'm going to upload the image that I just saved. Here it is. I'm going to load it. And that's it. So here is the frame from the YouTube video now added into our thumbnail. Amazing, right? I really hope you like the new feature that we just added into Thumbnail Blaster.